6. Where is number 8? Huh? You found it! Now let's sing loud! 7 dinos marching in a line. 8 dinos looking very fine. 9 dinos roaring at the sun. 10 dinos having so much fun. Happy, out, bright! 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, 9, doing fine. And 10, big number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! You did it! See you next time. Find out what bigger.
If you want to learn more with me, click subscribe to this channel.